Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about a particular project. We are starting the project 1. So you guys can easily understand how can you use the Bootstrap 5 elements or the grid system and other kind of functionality while working on the project. So let's get started. I'm saying I have I'm going to delete these files, not this file. You can easily understand what's going on. I have downloaded some few files, some few projects, so that's why I'm downloading, so you guys can easily understand. Okay, now I'm also downloading the project file. Sorry, deleting the project file. Now you know that you have the index.html file. Okay, now if you go to the get bootstrap, so you know very well that this is the official website of the bootstrap. If you click on the down examples, so they have few examples available ready to use, or you can just download these examples. I'm going to use the carousel. So now as you can see, this is the carousel and this is the navigation bar they are using, and these are the cards, and you know very well that this is the left side column, which is the 8, and all. I think this is the 4th, and this is the same column. You can also swap the columns. We have already discussed about how can you swap your columns by using Bootstrap 5. You know very well that this is the Bootstrap 5 series, and now how can I use this one? Now I'm saying I'm going to create a file, which is the HTML file. I'm saying project. Okay, fine. I have just created a file. Now I'm saying right click, view page source. I'm going to copy the entire code, paste the entire code here. And now I'm saying that this is the bootstrap. You have to use the bootstrap file, and you have to use the bootstrap.here file here. Now open this file in your editor, right click, inspect element. As you can see in the console sections, you have a lot of errors. It's saying for not found for the bootstrap.min.css file, and also the for not found for the carousel.css files. Bootstrap.min.css file also not found, and also some other files like images or something like that. Now you have few choices. You can also download the bootstrap, as you know we have already downloaded, but in this case I'm going to embed the CDNs. You know very well that how can you embed the CDNs. We have already discussed in our previous lectures. Now I'm saying go to the this one, download. As you can see, this is the CDNs. So copy this one, paste this one here, delete this one, and copy this one, paste this one here. So we have just copied these 4 files. Now I'm going to separate the JavaScript files, so we can use the JS files in the footer. So now as you can see, it's saying bootstrap.bundle.js file. I'm using the JS files here. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, your theme is now working fine. But if you go to the console, as you can see, it's in carousel.css file. So in the CDN, you don't have a carousel.css file. So go to this one and find carousel. Which one? This one. Copy this one. Go to paste. As you can see, this is the carousel.css file. I'm saying I'm going to create the carousel file in my CSS. I have already created this one, but I'm going to delete this one so you can easily understand what's going on. So now as you can see in the CSS assets, in the CSS I'm going to create a file named carousel. So it's empty. Copy the entire code, paste the code here. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, the carousel here. Now find the name of the carousel here in the HTML. As you can see, this is the carousel. Okay, now it's not available in the section. I'm saying go to the assets and go to the CSS sectors. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's gone. Now you have a bootstrap bundle.min.js files, and also this one, because this file is not available, bundle.min.js files in the bootstrap. So go to the page. So this is the bundle. I'm going to remove this one because we have already added our bootstrap. So as you can see, this is the bundle.min.js file already added. So as you can see, now you have a minifaced.json file. So .json file. So this is the JSON file. I'm saying I'm going to remove this one. So if you want to add the JSON file, so it's a .json. This one. Click this one. So now they can see, copy this code and paste this code in your project. First of all, create this file in your assets folder, and then copy this code and paste the code in your project. Now refresh the page. As you can see, you have now just added a third party page. It's not a theme. First of all, it's not a theme. It's just a page. You can download the themes from here. As you can see in the Bootstrap, you have the themes sections. It's saying themes.getbootstrap.com, and you can download or you can purchase the themes here, $59, $49. But before purchasing, you have to review the theme. So as you can see, live preview. Click on this one. So close this one. Now just view the theme. This is the theme. If you want to download this one, just go to the theme sections and download this one. So it's $59. You can also download the pro themes from the themeforest.com. Just type the Bootstrap themes, Bootstrap, and now search the button. You can also add some filters like this. So anyway, so these are the themes available here. As you can see, it's a $17 theme. Now in the Bootstrap official website, so now as you can see, $59. It's a huge amount. But here you can download any Bootstrap file under $25. It's up to you where you are purchasing your file. Okay, now I'm saying I have a subscriptions for this one, and now in the download sections, I have this thing. As you can see, this is the Bootstrap theme. This is the Bootstrap theme, the version of the Bootstrap 5.x built with, and also they have some files. If you want to view or review this one, this from two sections. So as you can see, it's fine. Now I'm going to download this one, so you guys can easily understand what's going on. So download. It's about to download. Now open your XAMPP, htdocs, and Bootstrap folder. And now I'm saying just copy the HTML code from here to here. So as you can see, this is the HTML. Now I'm saying this is the th, that means themes file. Close this one. Now I'm saying that I'm going to close the entire sections here, and if you click on this one, open this th theme 1 or index theme 2. Okay, so this is a theme 2 file. Okay, fine. For now, you can also click here directly, or you can open your editor, go to the assets and th. As you can see, you have this one. Open your T2 and click on the browser section. So now as you can see, you can open your file. It's totally depend upon you how you are opening your file. Now let's suppose if you want to add this file in your index.html. So as you can see in the root sections, you have an index.html file. I have just renamed this one index.x, and now I'm going to create an index file, which is the HTML file. I'm saying index in the root sections. Now I'm going to copy the entire code and paste the entire code here. Now go to, I'm going to opening this one. As you can see, if I open this one, As you can see, it's not working. Why it's not working? Because you have to set the CSS and also the JS files with images. So now as you can see, it's saying 404 not found because the JS files are not found, and also the JPEG and also the PNG file. That means PNG files is not found. Now, if I'm saying that I have a asset folder, in the assets, I have a th folder. In the th, I definitely have the JS folder, as you can see. Now I'm going to copy this section, paste here, and also the paste here. I'm going to use the, now refresh the page. As you can see, we have just used or eliminated the JS errors. So you have to paste the file here, code here, code here, code here, and also the code here. So you have to check the manually where you are using the images. You can also use Control Shift R to replace with your code. Okay, now I'm going to add this one here, here, here. This is the frame icons here. And now I'm saying here, and now I'm going to find the JPG images here, here, and also here. Now, if I'm finding the PNG images, so these are the PNG images here. Fine. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, now it's working fine. You have to use these 4 images, 404 not found, 189, 89, and 289. Just find the PNG or direct copy this one. So as you can see, it's here. Now I'm saying go to the assets and th folder, find the images, fine. So now you have to also find this one here. I'm saying go to the assets and also find the th. So go to the page, refresh the page. Now you have one error. So find this bad boy. Where it is. Now I'm saying assets and also th fresh. Okay, now as you can see, you do not have any error here. So everything is working fine. If you want to remove something from your project like this, so now find your contact or the navigation bar. This is the contact. Or right click page. So find this code here. These lines of codes. I'm saying you can remove this one. It's fine. And also, if you want to remove any code from your project, just right click, copy this one, or right click, select element, and also find this. So as you can see, we have just found. So cut, refresh your page. As you can see now, it's working fine. So in this way, you can download any project or you can embed any project in your any themes in your project. So it's totally up to you how can you using and how can you managing. You can copy any code from any website like we did with Carousel, this thing, or you can download the entire project or the entire theme from Theme Forest, or if you are purchasing anything from anywhere, you can also embed that particular theme in your project. Okay guys, so in this way you can create the project by using the Bootstrap 5. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for watching.